Hello traders and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, let's go to watch a good strategy for binary options and how you can generate profits if you are a total beginner or if you are a trader with more experience. The idea of this video is explain this strategy and help you or teaching you how to generate profits with binary options. Let's rock with this video. Okay guys, we have a good examples here on this video. We have two trades opened. We have one trade opened and waiting for another trade is a good chances to generate profits. The idea is using these two moving average, one period 8 and one period 60, 8 yellow and 60 white, and trade just for 1 minute with this turbo strategy for binary options. The best way to generate profits is follow the trend, but we can trade too. Or also I can trade just in the moment the cross and both moving average. I saw a good comment with this strategy and someone telling me, Lester, I trade with this strategy in 5 seconds and it's generate me a lot of money using this strategy. And I saw another comment too, Lester, I using this strategy with 30 seconds and I generate a good profit with this two strategies. So on this video, I'm going to show you the best moments to trade and the good chances we can generate profits with this strategy for binary options. This is a previous video that I recorded before, but I like to analyze when I take the signals and I start or why I decide to trade on that opportunity and show you how was my trade on that moment. When I saw these comments, definitely I'm going to test it in with 30 seconds and 5 seconds on the next days. I think and I believe it is a good idea. It showed me and telling me, Lester, this is more writable in this short periods. So definitely I'm gonna try to test it and see what happened. So let's go to watch more trades. So previously, my last trade, so we reached almost $400 on profits and 700 right now on profits with this strategy. We traded for a call on this last signal, and what's a right now? We have a stronger green candle, so for that reason we decided to take this signal for a call and waiting for more chances to opportunities. If you notice in my left chart, I'm watching how moves the red candles. If I have a good opportunities, if you have a dodgy candle, you have another pattern, if maybe it's going to change the trend. If for that, it's so important to learn more about the candlesticks. We need to learn more about the candlesticks. We have a reverse in this chart. We notice we have a green candle. So on the next candle, it's saying trade. And right now we are going to see how ended this trade and how wrong can be if I waiting just for a bit for a few seconds. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end in this video. This is $10 to $3,800 on profits trading in 1 hour with binary options and with this simple strategy for beginners. I don't recommend you doing this, trading with your 100% of balance, but definitely when you have a previous analysis before taking the signals, if you have stronger indicators, if you have a stronger strategy you can trade, you can add with this strategy a stochastic oscillator and trade only for the extremes. You're going to have another confirmation to be more rideable with this strategy for binary options. So I hope this video liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, and see you in the next wave.